How to make all-natural mice repellent. Mice can be very unsanitary inside the home. There are many chemical products you can use to prevent this infestation, but they can pose a risk to children, pets, your family and the environment. A safer solution is to make your own mice repellent by using natural products that are not toxic. There are many scents and flavors mice do not enjoy, and you can use these to make natural repellents. Things you will need: natural oils: cayenne pepper, peppermint, cinnamon, cloves, ammonia. Cotton balls. Diffuser. Dry spices: cayenne pepper, citronella, cinnamon, peppermint. Sachet bags. Fabric softener. Use natural oils to keep mice from entering your home. Dip cotton balls in oils with a strong odor, such as peppermint, cayenne pepper, ammonia, cinnamon or cloves. Place the cotton balls in areas where you have seen mice. Replace the cotton balls frequently as the smell fades. Throw away old cotton balls to prevent mice from using them as nesting material. Run a diffuser with these oils for 20 minutes each night. Place dry spices such as cinnamon, citronella, peppermint and cayenne pepper in sachet bags. Spread them in places where mice could hide or live. Replace the spices in the sachet bags every few days. Place strong-smelling dryer sheets in places you have seen mice or where you think they could be nesting. Change the sheets often as they lose their scent quickly. Throw away old dryer sheets to prevent mice from using them as nesting material. Tips: warnings. Hide food, throw the trash out, hide nesting materials and seal up holes to prevent mice from wanting to enter your home in the first place.